Can you hear me? For those of you that are visiting, we're going to play some quick games. Free prizes.
In every season you are king, creator, guide of everything. Hallelujah, we are yours.
All right, keys. We're going to play a quick game. Gimme, gimme. Get your bags. Get whatever you need. We're going to play the game. Gimme, gimme. I'm going to ask you for something, and you have to come and bring it to me. You have to get your good bags or anything.
And make us wholly yours again.
All right, everybody, listen up. We're gonna play a few rounds of Gimme Gimme. So I want you to search through your bag. Test. Okay, everybody, I want you to search through your goodie bags. Gimme a Snickers. First person to give me a Snickers, you win a prize. All for free. Good job, Gabby. Yay, Gabs. No, it's your candy. Okay, everybody, look through your candy now. Gimme and M&M's. Quick, go. Look through your bag. M&M's. Oh, don't spill it. Here you go. Congratulations.
Wait, pick up your M&M.
Okay, next one. Are you guys ready? Is everybody looking through their bags? Okay. Gimme. Wait, I gotta think about this one. Gimme. Gum. Any type of gum. Bubble gum, peppermint gum. Any kind of gum. You have to run up, Ron. Okay, nobody has gum? No. Okay. Oh, winner! Yay, Jojo!
He is a big kid after all.
Okay, ready? Next one. Gimme a flashlight. Somebody has to have a flashlight. Yay, winner! Slave. Okay, ready? Oh, we have a winner, Auntie. Thank you, though. Okay, for those of you that just walked in, we're playing a game of Gimme. So you guys can search through your goodie bags. I'll be calling out a few things. We're giving out prizes. Gimme a lollipop. Careful, don't fall over now. A lollipop. Yay, Paige. No, Paige was the winner. It's too late. Don't do it. Okay, everybody, listen up. Gimme a Reese's Pieces peanut butter cup. Yeah, that's it. Congratulations. We have a winner. Okay, two more, guys. Two more. Not yet. No, not right now. Yeah, I'm playing two more. It's okay. Gimme. This is going to be an interesting one now. Cheating. Me. A mom. Your mom. A mom. A mom. Quick. Yay, congratulations. Okay, last one. No pushing and no shoving. Gimme a good news bar. A big red good news bar. Everybody look through your bags. Congratulations. Yay. No, here, babe. You can have the candy too. Maybe we'll do a few more, huh? I need an idea. I don't know what to ask for. Yeah. Well, that's hard, huh? No. Yeah, we kind of do have time. Yeah. Okay, everybody, we're gonna play a game. It's called the Ten Commandment Cupcake Walk. So if you're interested in playing, I want you guys to sit in that row right over there, in those 2 rows right there. It can be adults and cakey, either or. Okay, if you're interested in playing, Gabby, hold up your hand, Gabby. Hold up your hand. Okay, I want you guys to sit in those 2 rows right over there. Yep, put your candy down, babe. Okay, all you guys want to play? All you guys want to play? Okay, come over here and stand on a cupcake. Okay, we're gonna, guys, don't pull it off the ground. Don't pull it off the ground. Don't touch the cupcakes. Just stand on it. Okay, we're gonna start the game when we have enough people on our cupcakes. So we need a few more people to get on our cupcakes. So if you know people out in the crowd, yell for them to come play with you. Joe, tell Dad come play with you. Tell Dad come play with you. Okay, I need a few more people before we start this cupcake walk. A few more people. All right, are you guys ready? Is there at least one person on each cupcake? Just one person per cupcake. All right, folks, this is how the game's gonna go. It's almost like musical chairs, but we're not gonna fight for chairs. Listen now, listen now. When the music stops, I'm gonna call a cupcake number. Whoever wins that number, whoever is standing on that number will win. When you win, I'm gonna give you a prize, and then I want you to go into the crowd and pick somebody to take your place on the cupcake line. Okay, are you guys ready? Remember now, when you win, you can only win once. And when you get called and you win, you have to grab somebody from the crowd to replace your spot on the cupcake walk, okay? All right. Hit it, Ari. You're going this way. Everybody, we're walking this way. Remember now, no pushing, no shoving, no grabbing onto each other's clothes. Start walking. Start walking.
Your groove on with us tonight. We'll do the Ten Commandment boogie, the boogie, the
I
Ten
don't see you guys
Commandment.
looking.
Number one, no other God but the one who is true.
Keep going.
Don't worship any other, that's
You
commandment
guys can walk a little
Use the
faster.
name of God only
Little
with
faster.
respect. On Sunday, take a rest.
Stop. Freeze. Don't move. Okay, look under your feet. Who has cupcake number 1? Yay, come over here. Okay, I want you to tell me what's your name and where you're from. What's your name?
Jasmine.
Desmond. Okay, where are you from? Kailua. You live over here in Kailua? Everybody, Desmond. Applause. Okay, Desmond, come. I want you to walk around over here. Come see Auntie Leanne. You win a cupcake. Okay, and the other prize that you have, come Desmond, the other prize that you have, here, let me show you. Okay, hold your cupcake. Can you give me one more? Okay, Desmond, this is a little pack. It's like a workbook and crayons and stuff like that. So what I want you to do is, 1, you get to keep, okay? But I'm gonna give you 2. The second one I want you to give to one of your friends, okay? I want you to share. Is that okay? Okay, now I want you to go into the crowd and pick a person to come take your spot on the cupcake line. Okay? Okay, go pick somebody to come take your place. Okay, everybody, we're gonna wait for Desmond to come pick a person to take her spot. Remember now, once you win, you have to pick somebody else to take your spot. Go stand in line, babe. You can only win once. Okay, get on your cupcakes. We're gonna start. Are you guys ready?
We're halfway through with one that's just for you. Listen to your mom and dad,
Come on, I
'cause
don't
what
see
they
you
say
walking.
you gotta do. It's the Ten Commandment boogie, gonna dance until I die. Ten Commandment boogie, you can do it, so can I. If you follow
Keep going. We have a traffic jam.
me, amazed what you can do. So get your groove on with us tonight. We'll do the Ten Commandment boogie, 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 boogie. The Ten Commandment boogie. Number 6, don't ever take somebody's life. 7 feels like heaven, but only with your husband or wife.
Keep walking.
Number
You gotta
8,
walk a
get
little
along with
faster.
number 9. Don't steal from others and don't ever lie. And if your friend has
Keep
something
walking.
that you think is cool, don't ever wish that it was yours. And that's the final rule in the
Stop. Stop. Omi, you have to stay on one cupcake. Okay, look under your feet. Who has cupcake number 2? Yay, come here. We got a winner. Okay, I want you to tell me your name and where you're from.
I'm Joseph, and I was born in Guatemala.
You live in Kailua now?
Yeah.
Everybody, Joseph from Kailua. Sorry, I forgot to mention, commandment number 1 was you shall have no other gods before me. Commandment number 2, you shall not make any idols. So come here and see Auntie Leanne. Same thing, you get a cupcake and you get 2 workbook packs. One is for you and one I want you to share with one of your friends. Okay? Congratulations, pick somebody in the crowd to take your place. Okay, everybody. You pick that guy over there? Okay, tell that guy come up. Yay, we got a new player. Watch out now. All right, ready? Walk. Walk. There you go. Boogie, boogie. Come on, guys. You guys gotta walk a little fast.
So get your groove on with us tonight. We'll do the Ten Commandment boogie, the boogie, the Ten Commandment boogie, do the
Stop. Who's on cupcake number 3? Winner! We all know this doll of a girl. Her name is Emery, and she lives in Kaneohe. Everybody, give Emery a round of applause. Yay, Emery! Okay, you have to come see Auntie Leanne. That's okay, we're just gonna keep playing. We're running out of people. Keep going, keep walking. We're gonna speed up this game. We're taking a little too long. So keep walking, keep walking.
The Ten Commandment boogie, gonna dance until I die. Ten Commandment boogie, you can do it, so can I. If you follow it through, you'll be amazed what you can do. So get your groove on with us tonight. We'll do the Ten Commandment boogie, the Ten Commandment boogie. Number 1.
Stop. Who's on cupcake number 7? Joseph. Come here, Jojo. I'll let you introduce yourself.
Joseph, I'm Augie T's nephew. I'm from Kaneohe.
All right. Good job, Joseph. Now, the 7th commandment, Joseph, the 7th commandment says, you shall not commit adultery. Okay? So go see Auntie Leanne.
Can I win a Bible?
No. Part of my other prizes. Yeah. Yay, congratulations, Joseph. Anybody. That's okay, Ari. Let them walk. We'll walk with less people. Come on, Omi. You're holding up the game, Omi.
That's commandment 2. Number 3. Use the name of God only with respect. On Sunday, take a rest.
Who's on cupcake number 5? Oh, I got a good one for you, little girl. Omi is from Kaneohe. She is 1 year old. Omi, the 5th commandment says, this is the most important, one of the most important commandments ever. You have to honor your father and your mother. Okay? Okay, you're a winner. Yay, Omi. Thank you, Auntie Lahela. If anybody wants to join in and you see a free cupcake on the ground, just come on in. It's a cupcake walk. It's super easy. Everybody, if you win, you win. Come on in.
We're half
Keep going.
with one that's just for you. Listen to your mom and dad, 'cause what they say you gotta do. It's the Ten Commandment boogie, gonna dance until I die. Ten Commandment boogie, you can do it, so can I, if you follow it through.
Stop. Who's on cupcake number 10? Yay, we got a winner. And what's your name?
Okay.
What is that?
Katie.
Katie? Hi, Katie. Where are you from? Are you from Kailua? Yeah? Yay, everybody give Katie a round of applause. There you go, babe. You get a cupcake and 2 books you get to share with a friend. Keep walking.
Ten Commandment boogie, gonna dance until I die. Ten Commandment boogie, you can do it, so can I. If you follow it through, you'll be amazed what you can do. So get your groove on with us tonight. We'll do the Ten Commandment boogie.
Stop. Who's on cupcake number 4? Yay, we got a winner. Okay, what's your name and where are you from?
Kailani, and I'm from Kailua.
Kailani from Kailua. Everybody give her a round of applause. Okay, baby, you can go see Auntie Leanne. The 4th commandment says, remember the Sabbath day and to keep it holy. Yay, Kailani. Congratulations. Keep going, Ari. Keep walking.
The Ten Commandment boogie. Number 1. No other God but the one who is true. Don't worship any other, that's commandment 2. Number 3. Use the name of God only with respect. On Sunday take a rest. We're halfway through with one that's just